Here's how to remove administrator account from Lenovo laptop. First, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. In the top right, change View By to Large Icons, then click on User Accounts from these options. Here, select Manage Another Account. Before deleting an administrator account, you need to make sure there's at least one other administrator account on your computer. If you only have one, click Add a New User in PC Settings, then select Add Account. Here, choose I don't have this person's sign-in information, then click on Add a User without a Microsoft account. Enter the name of your account and create the new account. Once the account is created, click on it and then select it and click Change Account Type. From this menu, set it to Administrator and press OK. Now, go back to Control Panel and refresh the page. Now, select the administrator account you want to remove. Click Delete the account, then choose whether you want to keep or delete the user's files. Finally, confirm by clicking Delete Account. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.